Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to show you how to properly install the propellers on a drone. This is pretty much the same process for almost every drone, but here we do have a DJI Phantom 3 4K. So there's really just one thing that you need to know, is that some of them rotate one direction and the other ones rotate a different direction. And generally speaking, they are marked by black and silver. So you can see the black dot here. See the black dot right in the center, and then this one has no dot and it is just silver. So it is truly as simple as just looking at which way locks. It should say it on the propeller itself, and you spin it on and lock it, and then the other one, it's going to go the other way, as we can see. Spin it and lock it. Now we're going to reverse the process. There we go, spin it and lock it, and then the final propeller, lock it in. So there you go, you're all set and ready to fly. Thanks for watching, guys.